Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about two stocks from fertilizer space, Dharmaj Crop and Best Agro Life. If we talk about Dharmaj Crop, then company was incorporated in 2015 and it manufactures and deals in pesticides including concessionaries of public health product for pest control, insecticide, herbicide, fertilizers and allied products. If we talk about their business, then company is in the business of agrochemical formulations and active ingredients and have below business segments branded formulations, institutional formulations, and active ingredients. So we can see that company is mainly operating in pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, and fertilizers, and they have 190 plus products. Uh, if we talk about best agro life, then it was formerly known as Sahyog Multibase Limited, and it's also a leading agrochemical manufacturer in India and is among the top 15 agrochemical companies in the country. So many of the agrochemical companies are not listed, but this one, Best AgroLife, is listed, and it offers more than 70 formulations in the form of insecticides, herbicides, fungicides. So we can see that for both of these companies, product portfolio is pretty much similar. Now let us talk about their fundamentals. Then Dharmaj Crop has a market cap of 892 crores, and Best AgroLife has a market cap of around 1,400 crores. So both of these companies are micro cap companies. There is only one company named PI Industries, which is a big player in this sector, but it has a very different and unique business model. It also relies on exports, so we can't compare PI Industries with these two companies. Uh, if we talk about the much crops valuation, then its P is 22, and for Best AgroLife, its P is 39, and the much crop has both ROE and ROC lower than Best AgroLife, and Best AgroLife provides dividend yield of 0.49%, whereas the merge crop doesn't provide any dividend. So these are few basic fundamentals for these two stock. Let us review major news. The merge crop standalone profit declined by 8.68% in September quarter, and again there was a loss. So in the recent few weeks, mostly news are related to their quarterly performance, and performance has not been so great, and that is getting reflected in its stock price. If we talk about Best Agro Life, then again uh, major news are related to their quarterly performance. There was one more news related to stock manipulation. This news is relatively older, but still will have to consider it as an important one, just to be cognizant of the fact that this stock is on the radar of manipulators. We, as a retail investors, should keep that in mind and should not commit high quantity in this stock, since there is likelihood of it getting manipulated since the market cap is very low. If we talk about their PE and relative valuation, then for Dharmaj Crop, current PE is slightly more than its historical average of 17.6. Uh, so is the case with Best AgroLife. So we can see that PE for fertilizer stocks are very less. It's less than 20. Even the average and current P also is very less for both of these stocks. Uh, One of the reason is cyclicality. So as we can see that profit is not consistent both for Dharmaj Crop and Best Agro Life, and also it is dependent on external factors as well. How the monsoon is projected and other stuff. So that is the reason why these stocks have very low P, and only the market leader, that is PI Industry, has relatively high P. If we talk about their profit growth, then for Dharmaj Crop, last 5 years sales CAGR is 37%, and profit CAGR is 55%. Though it is looking promising, but in recent quarters, there has been a drop in profit numbers. So that is something which is to be considered. Uh, though on an yearly basis, stock profit has maintained its growth path. It was around 5 crores in 2019, and now it has gone up to 44 crores, which is very promising. So is the case with sales. It was 136 crores in 2019, and now it has gone up to 654. uh, if we talk about best agro life, then 5 years profit numbers are not available, but 3 year sales CAGR is 27% and profit CAGR is 42%. Company was not making any profit in 2017-18, but then it started showing profits, and profit shot up from 37 to 192 crores within 3 years, and since then it has dropped. In last year it was 106, and current year it is even less, 37. In fact, it has again delivered losses in recent few quarters. If we talk about sales number, then sales is increasing. It was 127, which has now gone up to 1873 crores. But as we can clearly see, there is no consistency in terms of profit, and that is the reason why company anyway has a very low PE. So investors have to be cautious of this fact, uh, and take decisions accordingly. If we talk about company's technicals, then for Dharmaj Crop, current stock price is around 260. 200 is an important level for this stock. It did take support near this level. Next important level is 288. It earlier took resistance near this level and reached all-time high of around 390. That is again an important level. So quarterly results are something to watch out for. If they are poor, then we can expect it to go down and may test 200 level. However, if results are good, if they beat expectations, then we can expect stock to show its uptrend, maybe even breaking this 288 level. If we talk about technicals of best agro, then stock has poorly performed in the past. Uh, After the 2023 all-time high of around 1750, stock has consistently came down. Uh, and is trading near a level of 591. 516 is an important level to watch out for. It did take support near this level, and in fact, the current trading price is also near its listing price. So, and as we already discussed, this stock is at risk because of the stock manipulation. Though the news was pretty old, but still there is a high probability of stock getting manipulated. So this is something to be considered while thinking about making an investment in this stock. Remember, friends, this video is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your own due diligence and consult your investment advisors before taking any call. Thank you.